डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Hello and welcome to the course on cybersecurity tools, techniques and countermeasures. This is Professor Dr. Nilesh Modi and I am your instructor for this course. Today I am going to give you some useful information about this course. Internet has led to widespread and drastic change in our lives. Due to its reach and coverage, more and more processes and activities in organizations, large and small, are shifting online. However, the ease in use of online activities has brought it with a significant rise in malicious attacks on digital devices and software systems. Friends, have you ever thought how to protect your data from these malicious attacks? For this, let's join to a glorious journey in the world of cyberspace. In today's global economic scenario, highly skilled, versatile professionals with all-round approach for problem solving is the need of an hour. The course on cybersecurity tools, techniques and countermeasures is aimed to create such professionals. So let's begin with the introduction of the course. Let's discuss the introduction. Cybersecurity is the application of technologies, processes and controls to protect systems, networks, programs, devices and data from cyber attacks. It aims to reduce the risk of cyber attacks and protect against unauthorized exploitation of systems, network and technologies. Cybersecurity is a critical business issue for every organization. It addresses people, processes and technology. Let's discuss about the course overview. The course on cybersecurity tools, techniques and countermeasures teach learners to protect the confidentiality, availability and integrity of information and information system that support modern organizations. The course focuses on both fundamentals of information system as well as advanced topics in the areas such as network security, cryptography, risk management, security governance, business continuity, security architecture, physical security and critical infrastructure. Let's discuss how exactly the course credit and applicability of this course in the recent scenario on SWAYAM. The duration of the course is of 12 weeks and has 4 credits, and this course is in line with the directions of UGC to introduce an elementary course of cybersecurity and information security at undergraduate and postgraduate level across all the Indian universities and institutions. Let's discuss about the course prerequisite and intended audience. This course is designed for the undergraduate students of computer science. To learn this course, knowledge of network, operating system, web applications is desirable. The program is intended to provide learning opportunities to the following target group: undergraduate of IT or computer science with interest in cybersecurity, undergraduate with diploma in cybersecurity or information security, graduate or postgraduate in any discipline interested in IT, cybersecurity as a career, persons with cybersecurity experience in security audit and incident reporting, information security, government and legal professionals. Let's discuss about the objective of the course. The course is aimed to foster employable abilities, proficiencies and competencies required to gain a successful career in cyber industry, provide a national and international recognized certification, enable career advancement of existing cybersecurity professionals, enable individual to be a trained network web security system administration, enable individual to be a trained to defend social engineering attacks, enable individual to defend advanced persistent threats like malware, spyware and ransomware, enable individual with contingency planning and disaster recovery. This course can be helpful to the administrator, manager, network security system engineer, security auditor, chief information security officer, computer forensic investigator, IT security administrator, consultant, manager, certified ethical hacker, etc. Now let's discuss what exactly the learners will gain after completing this course. Upon successful completion of the course, learners will be familiar with cybersecurity landscape and able to analyze and evaluate cybersecurity needs of an organization, determine and analyze software vulnerabilities, security solutions to reduce the risk of exploitation, measures the performance and troubleshoot cybersecurity system. It will help implement cybersecurity solutions and use of cybersecurity information assurance and cyber or computer forensic software or tools. It will help in comprehending and to execute risk management processes, risk treatment methods, and key risk performance indicators. It will help in designing and developing security architecture for an organization. It will further help in designing operational and strategic cybersecurity strategies and policies. The overall course has been divided into 12 weeks. Week 1, cybersecurity essentials, attack vectors, threat risk and vulnerabilities will be discussed. In week 2, advanced persistent threat and cyber kill chain cybersecurity framework will be discussed. In week 3, firewall and packet filters, introduction to Windows and Linux firewall. In week 4, attacks on wireless networks, scanning for web vulnerabilities, tools and HTTP utilities will be discussed. In week 5, application inspection tools, password cracking and brute force tools will be elaborated. In week 6, web attack, information security basics to policy will be discussed. In week 7, cybercrime and different mode of attacks will be discussed. In week 8, intrusion detection system, IT assets and wireless security will be discussed. In week 9, cybersecurity assurance framework, desktop security and malware will be elaborated. In week 10, e-commerce and web application security will be discussed. In week 11, social engineering will be discussed. In the last week, the 12th week, internet crime and act and intellectual property in the cyber world will be discussed. So this is all about how exactly the course will be elaborated to the learners. The course content, or we can say material. The course content will contain recorded videos which are based on the syllabus. All the participants who are enrolled for the course can take the course online. Also, they can download the video or text material for later use. At the end of the course, the student have an option to undergo an online test which is objective in nature. Let's talk about an evaluation methodology. There shall be two components of the evaluation: internal assessment of 20 marks and proctored examination for 80 marks. Certification. On successful completion of the exam, the student shall be provided with a certificate declaring the participation and successful completion of the course by candidate as per the guidelines. Thank you friends and wish you a happy learning.
स्वाध्यायः